Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. In this episode, we are going to be showing you a sewer from hell in New York City. Sometimes when you snake, it gets worse.
You're at 20 right now. Way past 20, 30 already. You're already at 30. I would say even 40.
As for snaking, you're noticing that it's a very far run, and it's a very tough pipe, clog.
Kasha? There you go, right there, that's the spot. Yeah, go deeper in there. You're catching it, bro. That's the spot. You hear it? Right there, yep. Unclog that sewer, bro. Yeah, you know how to do it. You're an expert. It's a fight, just like everything else. Go. That's the stoppage, huh?
doing it and it's not unclogging. So we decided to pull out the big guns and bring out the water jet.
Yo.
So we gave him the signal and he's pulling back the snake. Here comes our water jet.
Got it? Nope. See that grease that's coming up? That's heavy duty Kasha.
Yeah, that's Kasha.
That's what you call the good old schmutz in the pipe. Needs to be washed out. Heavy grease. Woo! We are power jetting this thing and it's giving us a hard time.
I'll just do my head.
Yeah, look at all that sludge.
Yeah, I feel like a secret. Halfway water.
We're halfway, third way. It's all sludge. Yes, yes. Look at all that thick sludge, how slow it goes.
I need water, yeah. That's why I'm
It's going, it's going.
wash out all the smoke.
I see it going. Yeah, keep, you know, that spot, that's the spot. Power wash that sucker right through, bro. Yes. Yes, get in there. Oh yeah. We are seeing some action right now. That looks like it's unclogging. Yup, the water is lowering. Wow. Holy shit. What an unclog. What a thick amount of grease in there.
How's my water?
Still got half a tank. Still got half a tank.
Wow.
Wow. What an unclog.
Wow. Kaya Sakura.
Yes. Wow. Take all that greasy crap out of here. Wow.
Bro, look at my shoes. That's pipe is full.
And look at all that muck.
Yeah. This is freaking muck. Eugene's favorite word.
Muck right here.
Eugene's favorite word. He would love this. Eugene. Just because he could say muck. I was like, yo, I gotta keep going.
Keep going.
Until I hit that.
Keep going. New York City sewers be dirty like crazy. Yep, man versus pipe. Jet versus pipe. Ooh.
Shit.
There you go.
Stuck. Can you just lower the pressure?
Yeah.
Leave it on, just lower the pressure.
Sure. I just don't want to miss this right here.
Okay, so I'm just kind of stuck on it. That's all.
Just go in more. Push it in more, not out, in.
I'm trying to get I'm stuck with it.
No, you're gonna get out. Okay, let me lower the pressure for you. Oh yeah. That's the action we want to see. That's what we want to freaking see. Just clog again.
It's clogging again. You didn't give me full pressure, right?
No, I didn't give you full. You want full?
Maybe.
Right. If we need full, I'll pull you full.
See, it clogged again.
All right. Let's go add the pressure in there. Yes. Better? More pressure, I'm gonna go all the way.
Keep doing it, man. I don't know, it's just clogging.
It's clock, you need more pressure in there. So we're gonna add more pressure to the jet. Got this right here. We are connecting this way. Go. You gotta go in deeper. There was a spot you had it, no?
I can't get to that stuff.
No, you definitely dropped a lot, so you were at the spot. You just gotta go as deep as you was. Let's go. Let's go. It's jet seasons. Let's get it. See that? See that? It's going right.
Now, because there's high pressure, we're trying to keep our jet in that one spot to just let it power wash and cut through all that grease in that pipe. So it's a lot of it is to wash, because that flow of thick, greasy water needs to be pushed away further and further.
Sludge.
Yeah, that's like the pocket right there. Sludge. Sludge. Exactly what that is.
It's a crazy ass job. Wow. Damn, they're in there too, I think. Damn. Look at this. Damn. What is this pieces on? Look. It's a pieces. It's like dirt.
Scales?
I don't know if it's scale even. It's like sand.
Damn, bro. This shit sludged up and buried my machine. Holy shit. Ah, the shoes. Ah.
The shoes gotta go out.
Don't you love being a plumber? That's what we want to see. We want to actually see the damn pipe. So full of garbage.
It's more than shit.
Look at all this stuff. Look at all that garbage in there. Yeah. Power wash it. Reaper head. The Reaper. There we go. Now we got a fight. Oh, it's a fight, man. Oh. Yup. Boom. Yup. It's that water lowering the level in there. Look. That. Oh. Shit. It's coming backwards, yo. Unclog that sucker. This has been a fight, man. This was a fight and a half right here for the jet, bro.
So probably
Job hard. There she is. Blow that sucker up, man. That's it. There she is. Look at all that grease blocks in there. Holy crap. It's all muck.
Can you believe it comes back again? This is a sewer clog from hell.
Bitch, stubborn. Stuck
There
me
you
in there.
go.
It keeps getting stuck on something, you know? Stubborn son of a bitch. See, last time I passed this spot, now I can't pass this spot.
You'll pass it. Fashion.
There's stuff in here, bro. This spot, you know what it needs? We need a 300. We need to put in 2 snakes,
Double.
double snake it, and then jet it. Maybe the tank. It's not letting us pass. How's my water?
Check right now. 2 minutes.
Son of a bitch.
There you go. Right there. Right there, right there. Stay right there. Keep it there. No, go back. There you go. You passed that. And then it gets stuck again.
Yeah. Spot.
It's like the clog. This is when a clog clogs on itself in the pipe. It clogs and then unclogs, moves further and clogs and then unclogs, then moves further and clogs, then unclogs. Look at all this grease on the floor. Look at that shit. It's like sand.
It's tissues.
Tissues shredded up.
It's probably broken in certain spots. Son of a bitch. Wow. Freaking city, bro.
New York City sewers.
Can't even pass that spot.
Yes. There we go. Oh my god. This is like a nightmare, bro. Come on, pierce it. Let's go, Reaper. There we go. Push forward on that one. There you go. There you go.
How's my water?
You're just almost done.
So turn it off.
Okay.
Rocks and shit. That's fine. We'll get back in the trap. Is there like a toilet upstairs? Look at that angle, look. Let's get an angle.
You got it down to the right level, that's for sure. You
Still
gotta keep going. She's still up.
She's still not all the way right.
There you go, almost. A little bit more.
The deeper I go, the more water starts coming out.
There you go. Right around there. Woo. That's the level we need. A little bit more. There you go. Damn, it's such a fight, huh?
It's a long run to the main.
With lots of courage,
There you go. Now we're at the right level.
heavy duty machinery,
Flowing right out.
the experts did what it had to do to get this job done.
Look at all this mess it left behind. Whew. Another job done.
It's just the level like that.
That's all. We're washing it right through. We got water running in there. It's staying on that level. That's it.
The hose, make sure everything goes out and the job is done. Catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.